Hi there! I made these Christmas cards inspired by another YouTuber called StitchesbyJulia. I used scrap fabrics and scrap yarn, and I also tried some of the decorative stitches on my sewing machine, and it was a lot of fun. I decided to add some of this tencel yarn to make it look more like a Christmas tree rather than just a triangle, and I think it looks great. Of course, Julia has a bit more of an artistic flair than me, but I'm quite pleased with my juvenile attempt, which is why I think this will be a super duper project for children, and it's a great way to use up even the tiniest scraps of fabric and yarn. I keep my fabric scraps in these IKEA Ziploc bags, sort of color coordinated. This is the red I used for the Christmas trees. And I do the same with my yarn scraps.